And I wanted to make one announcement before I conclude the khutbah, brothers and sisters. When you're leaving, you could pass by Al-Hikmat Dawah table. We have some flyers on immigration services. I know a lot of people offer food free, they offer charity, they do all sort of things. But alhamdulillah, Al-Hikmat was able to connect with Atlas Immigration Foundation, a charitable organization that helps people to get their immigration status. Whether you have a fiancé in China, well, I know Trump doesn't like China, so let me use the next country. Whether you have a fiancé somewhere else, or you have in a different country, or somebody having some problems here, illegal, whatever, this organization, 25, 30 years of experienced lawyers will help you. Rather than paying $5,000 and $6,000 and $10,000 by other lawyers, they will help you in a couple hundreds of dollars. They can even help you based on certain cases to get adjusted for free, but you need to call the office. And their office is right now next door in Al-Hikmat office. It is something I always had this dream, many years, to assist people with immigration issues in America, because this is an immigrant's country. And that is a very charitable work that we decided we'll do. Muslims and non-Muslims, Muslims and non-Muslims. I see Mr. Hines sitting here, and I think he has been appointed as a director on that board. Am I correct? Yes, he's here, state representative to be. So it has a lot of prominent people, very legal, authorized people. Just a few days ago, Sheriff Pollock was there, who is running to be the sheriff, and sheriff office right now. He was there next door to see them. Great services. So it's a charitable service. Next door in Al-Hikmat office, so you don't have to be afraid, feel foreign in America, or someone abroad caught up with some immigration problem. It's a charitable service that Al-Hikmat is finally doing now for people, but talk to them in the office, see them, make an appointment, get the flyer outside as you're leaving on Al-Hikmat Dawah table. It's some services, and I thought, bi'idhnillah, it's a mercy, a dream I always had to do for people in America when I saw the problems that people go through here, immigration problems. Alhamdulillah, the dream has come true. And I didn't want to announce this. It was in the works for the past 3-4 weeks. Finally, it has happened. So please call them, families, relatives, anybody. You may be citizen, but you may have someone who needs help and cannot afford it. They can help you with their affordable fee. There are people they're helping for free even, because it's a charitable organization.